Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company in Hotwood, South Birmingham. Wow, low mileage, cam belt replaced. Jaguar XF 2.2 diesel luxury automatic. 42,000 miles from new, cam belt replaced at 34,000 miles, one owner from new. 8 Jaguar and Jaguar specialist service, right up to date. Over serviced or very well serviced. 2014 XF, priced at £9,495. This is one of the cleanest, one of the best example Jaguar XFs we have ever owned. Absolutely immaculate and original, and just very well looked after. I think that's Carnelian red metallic. Obviously matching Michelin tyres like new, fitted mats, reverse camera, oatmeal leather, sat nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, electric steering column, and lovely car. 9495, cam belt replaced, Michelin premises, unmarked wheels, discs on the back aren't rusty in the middle, same on the front, daytime LED running lights, front park sensors, rear park sensors, and a reverse camera. I mean, like new inside. Satin American walnut, door cappings, dash pack and console pack. Obviously multifunction steering wheel, paddle change, electric column, electric steering column. There's the sat nav. Air conditioning and climate control is icy, absolutely freezing. As I say, fitted mats in the car, fitted mat in the boot area from new. Space saver spare wheel. Beautiful leather trim, which is unmarked. I can't find any dents, any scratches. So clean. Things like that extra boot embellisher, that's not standard. It's got lovely aluminium pedals as well on the accelerator and brake pedal, spare wheel, toolkit, wheel locking key, all in the boot. Super clean, low mileage, one owner, well serviced example. Cam belt at 34,000 miles. Not stone chipped. Beautiful car. £42,563 miles. Last serviced at 41,000 miles. Reverse camera. Reverse camera and park sensors and DAB radio and Bluetooth. And paddle change for the gearbox, electric steering column, electric seats. Lovely car. 2 keys, one owner. Beautiful example. £9,495. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other Jaguar XFs in stock, or head over to YouTube. Our YouTube channel is Barclay Motor Company 5243. This video and nearly 2,000 other car videos we have produced are all on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. You can watch this video over and over again there, or you can thumb through nearly 2,000 other car videos, as I say. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will be the first person, or one of the first people in the country, to know when we have a fresh vehicle coming to stock. You will get a little notification to your phone or iPad or desktop if you've subscribed to Barclay Motor Company 5243 on YouTube. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.